How many times a day do you type your name, your address, your phone number, your email, the same things repetitively over and over again? These are all micro leaks of time, and I'm going to show you how to fix that in the next couple minutes. They're a very simple system. We are filling out more forms now than any time in history. Every website wants your information. Every AI tool wants your address, your email. How many times do you type in the same information over and over again? And this is a potential for errors. A misspelled email means an important message is not received. A phone number transposed means that an important call or business contact is dropped. This is unacceptable. Most people are still typing all of this information manually, and this is a source not only of errors, but also a time suck. I'm going to show you how to use text expansion to set this up once and use it forever. You'll start reclaiming time immediately today. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through how to set up the most powerful snippets imaginable. This will be a game changer for you. All right, I'm going to switch my screen now and we'll build these together. If you don't have TextExpander yet, don't worry, there's a link below the video. I'll remind you of that later. So we are inside TextExpander, and I'm going to show you quickly how to create the 4 high-yield snippets that you will use every day. The first is just going to be your name. So your name, John Doe. We'll go down here. I'm going to give it a label, name, and then we're going to use an abbreviation. I've already got this in my, so I'm going to do something a little different. ... name. There's 1. Let's do phone number, so let's do there's the phone number, Nate labels my phone, and then we'll do phone. Very simple. Address, and then I like to do the address based on the year. So we'll do my address 26, and then for the abbreviation, I'm going to do ... S for Seattle and 26. And then this is something you can update. If you move within the city, just change this, change it once here, and then you can use the snippet anywhere you like. And last is email, your, and then label again, my email, and then the abbreviation is going to be my email, MEM. That's it. So we've got these all set up and ready to go, and then there you go. Simple, easy peasy. Hey, that's it. That's the foundation. You built 4 snippets. Hopefully you did this along with the video or doing it right now. And this is something that once you get comfortable with, you can just repeat across multiple workflows. Inside the time lever system, we give you a complete system on how to put this system on steroids, essentially clawing back 10 to 15 hours per week. If you want to try TextExpander, there's a link below. It's my affiliate link. It doesn't cost you anything extra to use it, and I'd be so grateful if you found value in this video, if you share it. Set up these 4 simple snippets today, and I know that you're going to feel the difference immediately. Stick around because there's more content like this coming. Cheers.